I need to get to my car.
Go for it. I'm not blocking you.
Okay, well, I have stuff on the hood I don't want you to get close to. I don't trust you.
I don't trust you either.
So how about you go stand by that sign?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Well, we're doing an investigation right now. I need you to step back.
Nope.
I need you to step back.
No, I'm good.
You're interfering with our investigation.
Go for it.
34. Can we get an extra unit if available? It's 4 county. You just go back by the sign.
How's that?
You can film all you want.
How's this?
Just go stand right by that sign. It's not that hard.
Nah.
You can zoom in.
No, that's too far.
You can zoom in.
That's too far back, dude.
Then buy better cameras so you can zoom in better. Not make enough money on YouTube to buy better cameras or what? Apparently not. Because you can't go that far back and still get a good visual. Then the equipment must be terrible.
What's up, Gabriel? Long time no see, man. Hey, I don't mind if you film, Gabriel, but if you would just at least.
I feel like
maintain-
this is plenty of space, man.
Okay. No, can I finish?
Yeah,
So
go
at least
for it.
you can maintain this and not get any closer.
Gotcha.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Like I said, you've been honest with me. I do my investigation one step at a time, right? So I'm not at the end yet, but I'm gonna do. So we'll work through it and we'll make this. You have someone coming to attack?
What's up, Marcy? They got the BAC going. 4 cops now. 4 units. It's her night.
What's up, dude?
What's up, her night? Hey, Herna, what's this guy's name right here? The officer with the...
What's that?
What's his name?
Which one?
The guy was right in front of me, the officer.
The SIS?
No, the officer?
Oh, Noriega?
Noriega, okay. Thank you. He was talking shit, man. Talking shit on me, saying I don't make enough money on YouTube.
Sorry.
Yeah.
How much money do you make on YouTube?
Well, that's personal.
What's that?
That's personal.
Oh, okay. You brought it up.
Well, he did. I was saying it to you. You're the supervisor,
Oh,
right?
gotcha.
If a
Okay.
person wanted to make a complaint
Do you want
or something, I don't know. I'm just saying out loud.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Informal, I guess.
Okay.
You'd be the person to talk to, right?
I'll talk to you.
Okay. Thanks, Hernai.
Alright, so
Yep, he's unprofessional. Exactly, Marcy.
That's 24 hours.
Oh, they got 5 units.
We just wanted to hang out with you.
Okay. Nothing else going on?
No, not much. It's been a steady night.
But, like, whenever I see lights or police doing something, I'm genuinely interested
Uh-huh.
and I want to come and document, not to cause a problem.
Yeah. Well,
You know?
I mean, you and I have always been cool
But it
about
does happen.
As long as you're not interrupting or
Yeah.
anything, like, I don't care.
Yeah.
We can hang out. I don't think you've ever given me a hard time.
We've had some stuff early on. Yeah.
Maybe I just forgive and forget.
Yeah. What happened?
So that's probably a camera right there.
Yeah.
Watching us, whatever.
Oh, they just turned the light on too.
Yeah.
Dang.
Whoever owns this, that building or this lot, or both.
I thought they were gonna make a road right here.
That's certainly what it looks like, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's kind of weird what they're doing to this lot.
Yeah. So it looks like he's getting ready to blow. What's up, Nat? Getting front cuffed. Whoa, sipe. Thank you, appreciate you. Jose, I did not see that. This guy just got front cuffed. Coming towards you, man.
What's up?
Coming towards you.
Oh, yeah, thanks. Can I look at your setup?
Sure. I switched from a camera to another phone.
Another phone?
Yeah.
Oh.
This one has good zoom, so.
Sometimes the phones have better cameras and features, honestly, than those small cameras.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good, honestly. It's doing well with the light.
Yeah. You got the battery pack.
So
Lasts for
I
hours.
thought that
Yeah.
was your light.
No, lights in the front right
Oh,
here.
wow.
Yeah.
Right on. You just charge it in the car.
Yep.
Weather's nice, but the bugs are coming out.
Yeah. Because of the light, probably.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point.
Wow. Oops.
I'll write a set.
Yeah, I would have to look at the photos.